Joel Armstrong, I'm so tired of you calling Dave the Aviation Man names. Joel Armstrong, why do you always call Dave the Aviation Man names? I'm so serious. First, Joel Armstrong called Dave the Aviation Man Grandpa, and then second, Joel Armstrong also called Dave the Aviation Man a lemonade maker. And number 3, Joel Armstrong, look at what Joel Armstrong called Dave the Aviation Man. Joel Armstrong called Dave the Aviation Man amazing person. Joel Armstrong, I'm so tired of you calling names. And look at what I just said to him. I just told Joel Armstrong, stop calling Dave the Aviation Man names. Joel Armstrong, I'm so tired of you right now. Joel Armstrong, you need to stop calling people names. I'm serious right now. I'm telling Gaming Master on you soon. Joel Armstrong, you need to stop calling Dave the Aviation Man names. Calling people names is rude and not nice at all. Why did you call Dave the Aviation Man names? Joel Armstrong, you need to stop calling Dave the Aviation Man names. That is rude. That is really rude. Calling people names is rude and not nice. Joel Armstrong, you need to stop calling Dave the Aviation Man names. I'm serious right now, Joel Armstrong. You need to stop calling you need to stop calling people names. Yeah, Dave the or Joel Armstrong. Joel Armstrong just called Dave the Aviation Man amazing person. Joel Armstrong, you cannot call people names. Joel Armstrong, Joel Armstrong, you better stop doing all of those bad stuff. Joel Armstrong, you need to stop doing all of those bad stuff. I'm serious right now, Joel Armstrong. Joel Armstrong, why did you call Dave the Aviation Man amazing person? You know that means calling people names. Why do you call people Joel Armstrong? Why do you call Dave the Aviation Man names all the time, Joel Armstrong? You need to stop doing this. Joel Armstrong, you need to stop doing this. I'm serious. Now I'm gonna tell Gaming Master on you soon. You need to stop calling Dave the Aviation Man names. And Joel Armstrong, you're still a UTTP user. I'm serious. I just told Joel Armstrong. I just told him, stop calling Dave the Aviation Man names. Why do you always call people names? Why do you always call Dave the Aviation Man names all the time? You need to stop doing those bad stuff, Joel Armstrong. You need to stop doing those bad stuff. Well, goodbye, guys, and have a great day. And I'll see you after when I get home from school. So have a good day, guys. And I'll see you when I get home from school.